another really windy day today. It's Tuesday. We've got the Metropole just there, and next to we've got the Crazy Golf that they've done all up. All the Crazy Golf. I'm just having a walk down to Comedy Carpet and that area in a little while. I thought I'd show you a little pic of the Crazy Golf. Next to the Metropole. Distance, a couple of minutes walk from here. It's got access for wheelchairs, etc. This will probably be open next summer. It's quite nice actually. All the Crazy Golf there. Might have for the kids and a laugh for a few minutes, isn't it, while you're here? Quite nice there. And a little kiosk that they used to hand the golf clubs out, the putters and the balls. Yeah, nice little area. Probably I presume they put seating in here and what have you in the summer. Yeah, quite nice. Yeah, so I'm just heading down towards Comedy Carpet and that area. I said I'd extend what I did the other day. We got down to the lifeboat, the RNLI. So I'll probably walk down from there in a little while. It's at North Pier now. You see how high the tide is? It's just on its going out now. You see underneath the pier. You should be able to do. It's quite high. Sorry about the wind noise, nothing we can do about that. It is Blackpool, that's why we love it. And you can just get all this in here. Obviously North Pier is shut at the moment with lockdown, we're still in lockdown at the moment. Yeah, choppy seas still in Blackpool. Theatre there at the end, that's had some stars in there. Really nice on there in the summer. You've got outside in the summer, you can have drinks, the bar at the end of the pier. Yeah, they're doing works around here as well. Just looking up there, Talbot Square and the Town Hall, that's the Ibis Hotel having work done too, we were saying about the other day. And the counting house there over the road. Yeah, and then you've got the front facade, the front of the pier, tower there in the background. North Pier itself. The amusements in the pier all shut, obviously. Little chippy, that's a nice chippy next to. Of course, when open. Yeah. Hopefully things will open up soon. We'll head back down, like I said, that way, towards Comedy Carpet and the tower. Just at the other side of the wedding chapel here, you can see there, they've got like the platform where they can come and have pictures taken out towards the sea. If I pan round, that's the platform there. Pan round. And in the summer, you'd probably get some really nice pickies. Bit choppy today though. Let's have a look what it's like. There you go. Yeah, it's still very blowy. That's North Pier. Looking north up to North Pier. The wedding chapel obviously just behind me. There we've got Comedy Carpet, etc. up that way. Central Pier in the distance. And it's Bobby Ball's funeral today as well. So I think that's in about half an hour. They're coming towards Comedy Carpet, so I'll see if I can get a couple of pics. Well, I want to pay my own respects as well. obviously when you're my age, we're brought up with Bobby and Cannon and Ball and them. So I'm just going to bob down there now and we'll see. Looks like there's a few gathering already down there. Yeah, so Bobby Ball's funeral, it's actually in Lytham, but they're going to come along the promenade here in Blackpool. Obviously he appeared here, starred here at so many theatres and the piers and what have you, as Cannon and Ball over the years. So they're going to bring him along the prom, just a comedy carpet there. You can see people already lining the promenade, everybody wanting to pay their last respects. Tower just there, shrink it a little bit. Yeah. Tower just there, comedy carpet opposite. And many people now starting to come towards comedy carpet now. Like I say, very breezy again today. I think it's about half an hour that they're going to bring him along the promenade. The tower's lit up there. I don't know if you can get it in. Like a love art. Where are we? There you go. Okay, so I'm just opposite the other side now. I'm actually on the prom, the other side of the prom. You can see people now starting to turn up, pay the respects to Bobby. Cameras and everything here. Lining along the prom, quite a way now along the prom. There is security for COVID and the lockdown obviously. Take a walk up here a little way. Traffic building up now along the prom. So yeah, we've got cameras. Obviously I presume the major networks, BBC, ITV and them.